Hey guys, Vic here. In this video, I'm going to go over the share cart feature. So basically, once this feature is turned on the rep rep page, you will see this cart sharing feature turned on. So here, basically, I can share the link to the cart with pre-selected products. So for example, I know that there are a couple of new products that are here, and I think customers would love these. So I'll see, okay, these are the selected ones. Maybe I want to add just one more. Yeah, so I have these three selected. I'll give it a cart name. Let's say new products. And I'll create a cart link. Now you see that this new products, so all the cart links that I've created, the reps can see it up here. If I copy this and in a new tab, if I just place this, so this is the share link. I can share on social media, share it directly with customers. And what this does is it will load the cart page. If there are any previous products in the cart, it's going to clear those and it's going to add the new products that I had selected. And now when I share this with customers, customers can modify quantity, place an order, and yeah, once they place an order, we will track this order to the rep and we'll do the appropriate commission calculation. Cool. So that's a very powerful feature, the card sharing feature. Thank you.